Parabola. You should know that parabola only exists either x squared or y squared, right? Let us have the y squared now. Okay, y squared means that in general equation or the standard equation will be y minus k the whole thing squared equal to 4p x minus h. Okay, so if that is the case, so you should know that the reflection, okay, so you should know that the reflection will be on y. Okay, in another words, your y-axis is like mirror. Okay, meaning to say that your y-axis will be like a mirror. Okay, so how will be your parabola looks like? Okay, will be either on the turn to the left or turn to the right. Okay, so how do you know the position again? As I mentioned earlier, position is based on the p-value. If your p-value is less than 0 or negative, so it will be on the left. If your p-value is positive, so it will be on the right. Okay, so in general, I give you an example. If let's say p less than 0, okay, means that p is negative value. So obviously your parabola will be turned to the left, right? So how will be your vertex, or where will be your vertex? Your vertex will be the turning point. Okay, so again your vertex, do highlight your H and K. Okay, so where will be your focus point? Okay, always remember focus point will be always allocate inside the curve. Okay, so this will be your focus point. This will be your focus point. Is it okay? So again, for y square, so meaning to set that your coordinate k, or in other words, your coordinate y will be remain. Okay, so since focus point is already in front of vertex, right? So where will be your directrix then? Your directrix line, okay, your directrix line will be behind your or after your vertex. So this will be your vertex line. This will be your directrix line. Okay, so what will be the value then? Okay, very simple. You just write this will be your directrix line. Okay, your directrix line. Okay, whereby is x equal to something. Okay, how do you indicate the coordinate itself? Okay, so as I mentioned, the common distance between focus point to vertex and vertex to directrix, right? Okay, this is the same based on the p-value. Okay, so since vertex is in front, focus is in front of vertex point, so means that your h will be minus with the p, right? Directrix is behind the vertex, so means that your h will be plus with the p-value, because behind, right, or after. Okay, this one should be okay, right? Okay, so let us proceed with if your p is larger than 0. If your p is larger than 0, meaning you said that your parabola will be turned to the right hand side, and your focus point, your vertex point will be the turning point. Okay, so highlight it. Your vertex is HK. Okay, and always remember your focus point. Okay, your focus point will be inside the curve. Okay, so where will be your directrix then? Okay, so your directrix point will be, okay, your directrix line will be behind or in front of vertex. Okay, so it will be in front of vertex. Okay, so this will be your directrix line. Okay, your directrix. Okay, so it will be x equal to, so it will be h minus p, because in front of the vertex. So your focus point, the coordinate x will be h minus p. Okay, if let's say the question asks you to draw, so you may need to include your symmetrical, okay, with the dotted line. So your x is equal to your, to what? To your k. Okay, same goes with this one. Okay, so your, okay, symmetrical line, your y equal to k. Sorry, it's not x but y. Okay, so it will be y. Okay, is that okay? Okay, so this will be in general.